Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
how do you pass all day long?
Thanks for asking. Actually, I get up early in the morning. Then I get fresh. After that, I say my prayer. Then I take a cup of tea. And after that, I take my breakfast. Taking a breakfast, I started my homework. After that, I get ready for my online class. In the afternoon, I go to college field to play cricket with my friends. In the evening, I come back home. Then I take a cup of tea. After that, I started my study. Finishing my study, I watch TV with my parents. After watching TV, I have my supper with my parents. After having my supper, I go to sleep, and that's all.